Static hum invades my veins, marrow. Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Broken glass falling like teardrops. A forgotten map where time stops. Grinding gears where dreams collapse. Caged in the rhythm, can't elapse. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray.
চলো এবার তাড়াতাড়ি অন্য কোথাও একটা
Fingers
যেতে
on
হবে।
strings, pulling the thread. Heartbeats pounding from moment sunset. Every spark hiding what we're seeking. In the swirl of chaos, no time for speaking. Bars of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. The cobblestones glisten, the city hums low. A drizzle soft whisper, where do thoughts go? The saxophone sighs in a soulful lament. A moment of peace that feels heaven sent. Through bookstore windows, the stories unfold. Between dusty pages, the wisdom of old. The jazz dances gently, it carries the breeze. Philosophy lingers in moments like these. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say. Oh, what is a thought but a cloud in the sky? It drifts and reforms, and it bids us ask why. We walk through the chapters, our lives intertwine with the hum of the world and this rhythm divine. lights shine.